Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, or even recycling centre gold or garbage. Went out to Thornbury, can't remember how far that is, let's call it an 18-mile round trip, something like that. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 charity shops out there. Didn't find anything I wanted to buy. But the advantage of Thornbury is they've also got a recycling centre. And at the recycling centre, I picked up this little Clockwork or wind-up Thomas the Tank Engine. And as you can see, it's tiny. Cost me 10 pence. So pleased with myself. And it works. I think it's one of those that's supposed to be, you can get a book. It has a thick cardboard cover with a track on it that this sort of thing goes around. So I think that's what it comes from. Oh, out of focus, aren't they? Back in focus? Yeah. So the best I can do is put it in something like this, so it can go round the edge. Oh, camera, focus. It's lovely, isn't it? Clockwork, wind-up Thomas the Tank Engine. With his, is it the tender behind, as they say? I'm pretty sure he goes both ways. I did put my mini camera on the back there, but it's just too close, so you can't see anything at all. But there we go, 10 pence, and that sort of thing keeps Grandad happy. That'll do.